everyone, it's Maxine from Twinkle, and today I'll be showing you how to use this resource. Children can carefully slide their fruits onto the skewers. Can they make a pattern? The strawberry will create the top of their fruit rocket. Encourage children to learn the names of fruit. Can you make a rocket using blueberries and blackberries with a strawberry at the top? Challenge children to make a pattern using 3 different pieces of fruit. Can they count how many pieces of fruit they used? What other creative patterns can they make? Once children are finished, they have a nice, healthy snack to eat. I hope you had lots of fun doing this activity today. See you next time! Visit the Twinkle website to find more healthy snack recipes.